Local news for Thursday the 9th of November. Christmas is fast approaching and the shopping rush is starting to build. The pre-Christmas build-up gradually begins in November and climbs to a frenzy of activity, of course, in the last few days. Based on 2006, when Christmas last fell on a Monday, the busiest shopping day is likely to be the Friday before Christmas, as was the case in 2016 as well. Wairarapa ranked 8th of the 17 regions last year with a spend of just under $46 million. Victoria Cross holder Willie Apiata took a message of solidarity to farmers affected by a year of heavy rainfall in the lower North Island. Apiata, a Westpac New Zealand ambassador, visited the region this week and spoke to farmers about the importance of family and communication and maintaining a healthy lifestyle balance. It was a busy day yesterday for fire crews attending several weather-related call-outs, particularly those in Carterton. And in sport, it's a top-of-the-table clash tomorrow night in local tennis. Regional 1 leaders Martinborough play Carterton, with Aupaki 1 and 2 playing each other, and Masterton taking on Gladstone. And good luck to the Wairarapa Roller Derby team, Valhalla Mafia, who head away to tournament this weekend in Taupo. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.